kind of salary or income can someone realistically earn with Amazon PPC skills? So I would ask you, what are your current skills? Because based on that question, I may be able to answer or not. The reason why I'm saying this is because it really depends. Where are you on the skill level? We have 3 levels within ScaleWave. Probably other agencies or probably other people are like handling this differently, but I'm sharing the way how we are strategizing when it comes down to who we are hiring and how we are paying them. So it is the basic level, which is a junior. A junior should be really, really good at following step-by-step processes. The main skill set that this person would have is teachability and humility. These 2 are the main skill sets that we saw over and over again pick up and help so many people who barely had the skills, but they wanted to learn and they were trainable, right? So for that level, probably you're not going to get a lot of money, because right now what you're doing, you're just quote unquote giving your time away for learning a skill. Second, it's going to be the intermediate level. Now, the intermediate level already understands strategy a bit better, understand how Amazon ads work in this case, and also is able to create all the tasks that junior would do. So they are able to create campaign, to create reporting, to get things done to achieve the goal. Meaning, if we're going for profitability, they would be able to optimize the correct campaigns. If we're going to go for scalability, they would be able to create on their own new campaigns. So this is a person that already has the skills of a junior, but is just a bit more advanced. And the third level is going to be an advanced level. Now, this person should already be able to, they are bringing everything. They are bringing the strategy, they are bringing the how they would execute, and they don't necessarily have to execute. The intermediate or the junior can execute for them, but this is the strategies that sees the big picture, sees the quarterly, sees the yearly, and they can work backwards. Now, based on that, really, it's depending on where are you right now. That's going to decide realistically how much can you charge for your services. When I started 2019, I believe, and I had 0 skills. I took one course that it was for private label brands, how to create your own private label. It lightly touched also on how to run your first ads. It was like how to create your first Amazon automatic campaign. And that was it, So based on that, I was like, okay, I'm confident that I got the gist of it. I'm looking forward to help someone else, another brand, with that, with my level. And I basically was at this point still a junior because I was executing based on whatever I learned, right? So I did not know how to strategize. I did not know how to do advanced stuff, but I knew I was better than the person who was running their brand on Amazon. So that was enough for me, right? And for everything, I charged $500, something like that. And here, I think literally everything: packaging design, creatives, running their ads, inventory, SEO, so on. So as you can see here, I gave a lot of my time on allowing someone to have me on and execute on their behalf. Again, this is going to depend a lot on your skill set, but hopefully that made sense and help you give a better understanding of how would you charge.